Hey guys, I'm Disha Buxani, makeup artist with Bobbi Brown India, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a soft smoky bronze-eyed look. So I'm actually creating this exclusively for our Shopper Stop EyeStopper event, which is a makeup and eye festival that celebrates beauty and artistry. I'm using the eye pencil in jet close to my lash line and smudging that to get a soft smoky liner look. Next, I'm using the shimmer brick in bronze on my eyelids. Also applying some in the bottom of my lower lash line. Finishing up my eye look with my favorite smoky eye mascara. So this is the final look of the soft bronze smoky eye. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and you should know that you can also be a part of this biggest eye makeup festival with Shopper Stop, which is between the 15th to the 18th of October. And don't forget to also subscribe to Shopper Stop on YouTube and follow them on Instagram so that you can stay up to date on the best of beauty.